Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the D-PST-OE-23 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank, and they were updated on October 4th, 2024. Key topics. Exam preparation guides. Question 1. What is the main advantage of using block storage in PowerStore for enterprise workloads? The knowledge points of this question are: block storage optimization for enterprise workloads. Block storage in PowerStore is perfect for handling heavy workloads like databases and business applications. It offers super fast data access with low delay, making it ideal for companies that need to process data quickly and efficiently, like in banking or large-scale apps. So the correct answer is block storage is really fast and efficient, perfect for databases and apps that need quick access to a lot of data without delays. Question 2. An administrator attempts to recover data from a file system snapshot taken 2 weeks ago but cannot locate it. What is a possible explanation? The knowledge points of this question are: snapshot management and retention period. Snapshots are like quick backups, but they don't last forever. After a set time, they get deleted automatically to free up space. This means you need to make sure important snapshots are saved or extended before they disappear. So the correct answer is snapshots don't last forever, they get deleted after a certain time unless you save them longer. So if it's missing, it probably expired. Question 3. Which factor is critical for ensuring successful NDMP backups on PowerStore? The knowledge points of this question are: compatibility between backup software and hardware for NDMP backups. NDMP backups only work smoothly if your backup software and storage hardware are compatible. If they don't match, you could run into issues like failed backups or incomplete data, which can cause big problems when you try to recover your files. So the correct answer is NDMP backups need both your software and hardware to work well together. If they don't, the backup can fail or be incomplete. Question 4. What is a key requirement for using the non-disruptive import external storage feature in PowerStore? The knowledge points of this question are: MPIO requirement for storage migration. MPIO makes sure there are multiple paths for data to travel between systems. This keeps everything running smoothly during storage migration. Even if one path fails, it's a must-have for avoiding downtime during big data moves. So the correct answer is MPIO is like having multiple routes for your data to travel. It makes sure the migration happens smoothly, even if one route fails. Question 5. Which type of workload is PowerStore highly optimized for? The knowledge points of this question are: optimized for mission-critical databases and transactional applications. PowerStore is built to handle important workloads, like big databases that need to process tons of transactions without delay. It's fast and reliable, making sure that even in critical operations, everything runs without a hitch. So, the correct answer is PowerStore is made for important, high-performance tasks like handling big databases and transactions, where speed and reliability are key. If you have any questions about the D-PST-OE-23 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.